You can spend hours and hours with a toothbrush and steel wool and you'll never even come close to the result I've achieved here. Hello my friends, welcome back. In today's quick video I'm going to blast half a motorcycle hub, so stick around to the end and check out the finished result. It's sure to show you why serious restorers bring their bits here for hydroblasting. Firstly, we'll tape half of it off so the crappy starting surface won't be affected by the treatment. Now we'll pop it in the cabinet and hit it with a glass of water slurry. There's probably 5 to 10 minutes blasting in the process. Righto, now we'll pop it on the bench and remove all this tape. As you can see here, the difference is chalk and cheese between the two surfaces. You can spend hours and hours with a toothbrush and steel wool and you'll never even come close to the result I've got here. Well, I hope I've at least sown the seed here and you guys won't settle for second best when you're restoring your projects. Thanks for watching, dudes. Take care.